Welcome back to school, TJ.
Thank you. It's been a long time. It feels so good to be back. So much has changed. Tell me a little bit about it.
So at birth through preschool and entrance into kindergarten, our students are able to attend there. Well, that Early Learner Center moves us into the elementary school where we've done some updates, and our programs include one-to-one devices for students, and we just are able to help them learn and grow with all the activities that are happening, not only including robotics from the time that students are in elementary school, but as they grow into that high school experience.
The transformation from when I was here is just absolutely crazy. Really has the feel of like a college campus or somewhere that's not a small lake town like Warroad is.
We have the theater that supports student activity, and it also supports community activity. We have music lessons. We really enjoy having families focus on all of those things: academics, athletics, activities, and arts.
So the support doesn't end here at school. Tell me a little bit about the scholarship program.
Warroad Public Schools this year alone was able to have a scholarship program for our graduating seniors, a class of 66 students who received in the amount of $2.5 million.
Wow.
Students receive scholarships, not only local scholarships from local organizations, we also have the endowment scholarships, the Marvin scholarships, and many scholarships that come from around the college systems as students are looking towards career and work experience.